What's up, team? My name is The Real Casadero, and I'm a web developer, veteran, and former DevOps engineer at Microsoft. Well, junior DevOps engineer. For those of you that don't know what DevOps engineer means, it's development operations, and what I dealt with was automating tasks and deploying code to data centers and patching servers and doing updates and all different kinds of crazy stuff. The reason why you're seeing this is because if you've ever been interested in learning to code or learning to program or making a game or doing anything related to computers and the internet, I have a website called Code Market Sell where you can go and you can learn a bunch of this stuff. You can learn the core technologies. And the reason why I wanted to do this is because when I started out, I didn't have a roadmap. I didn't have a game plan. The main game plan was to go to college and get a degree. And that's fine. But I understand that there's some people out there that maybe they don't have time to go to college, or they feel like they can't afford to go to college. And to be honest, in order to build stuff today, you don't necessarily have to have a college degree. You don't have to know all this stuff about computer science. You just have to understand some core technologies. And the most important technologies you can learn right now are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And all put together, they make up what's called HTML5. And with HTML5, you can build anything you can imagine. You can make games. You can make games for desktop computers. You can make games for mobile devices. And these games can run on the internet, or you can port them over and run them on iOS or Android. You can do all different kinds of stuff, but those are the three basic things you need. What I've seen is, all these boot camps and other courses and stuff like that, they show you how to build stuff, which is fantastic because we all want to know how to build stuff. We want to know how to build projects. But a lot of the times people learn frameworks and they learn all this other stuff, and they don't know the basics. They don't know the fundamentals, and that's why they get lost and they can't switch, or their mind just shuts down, is because they don't understand the concepts behind what it is they're doing. So we dig into it and we teach you everything from the ground up. So we assume that you know nothing, absolutely nothing about computers, nothing about the internet, nothing about technology, and we give you the knowledge in order to go out and to build whatever it is you want. So go over to the site, check out codemarketsell.com. And there's free courses there. Take the free courses. And if you want to go further, then fantastic. And if you don't, then that's fine. You go to bed, you wake up tomorrow, and nothing's changed. You're right back where you were before. But if you want to go ahead and you want to build bigger and better things, you want to learn more, you want to see how deep the rabbit hole goes, that resource is there for you. codemarketsell.com. I look forward to seeing you there, team. I'm out.